Let's crack one of English's trickiest puzzles, have done versus had done.
So, which one is it? This gets a lot of people mixed up, but it's actually super simple.
Forget all those complicated grammar rules. All you need to remember is this one word: timeline. All right, first step, present perfect. Think of it like a bridge connecting something from the past to right now.
Okay, let's look at a real example. See that phrase, has shown? Let's break down why it's used.
So, why has shown? Because the research is done, but its findings are still totally relevant today.
Here's another one, from the news this time. The keywords here are has published.
The when doesn't matter here. What's important is the result. That story is available for us to read now. Okay, now for a more personal one. Have been marveled. This feeling connects the past to the present moment.
Why? Because that feeling of wonder started way back then, but it's still true for them today.
All right, let's switch gears to past perfect. This one's all about telling stories set entirely in the past. Check this out. From a game review, we've got two past actions happening here. Listen close.
So what happened first? He played the game. Then he admitted it. See, both are in the past.
And that's the key. Had played shows the playing happened before the admitting. It makes the timeline crystal clear.
Here's another one. Someone's talking about something they realized, but it happened in the past.
See the order? The tools got good first. The person's realization came after. Had gotten shows that.
So, let's sum it up. Present perfect connects to now. Past perfect connects to another past event. Simple.
So from now on, you have a new tool in your grammar toolkit, the timeline rule. Just ask yourself, is this relevant now? Or am I telling a story about two past events? That's it.
Let's test the rule with a classic. When I arrived, the train had already left. What happened first?
Exactly. The train left before you arrived. Two past events, one perfect sentence. See how clear that is?
So, now you've got the timeline rule. Think about it. Where are you going to use it first?